Mas gusto kong gelato kasi yung mga ganitong ice cream.
Mhm.
Masyado maraming creams. Kaya ang tendency, nakakauhaw siya pag kumain ka nito. Unlike yung gelato, wala lang.
What is your flavor nakuha?
It's chocolate and vanilla.
Chocolate and vanilla. How about you, sir?
Cream and choco peanut butter flavor.
Okay. What can you say about your ice cream?
I want water.
You're thirsty?
Makes me thirsty.
Okay.
Baka hindi ka pa uminom kasi ng tubig mula kanina.
Ano talaga nakauhaw?